Each passing day goes by so easily. Don't barter in the garden of eternal delight. Well, good morning, John Neal here. It's Saturday the 21st of June 2025. Going into town to play music. When I say we are going to be playing music, that's it. We're not busking. Busking sounds like, you know, we're asking for money. And people give us money, it's true, but we don't ask for it. And that's not why we play. We play just we like playing. And we are the friends who go to the Fox pub on a Monday night. And yeah, we just like to play outside as well. It all started really during COVID, when we couldn't play indoors. And we were only able to play outdoors. And I know one or two of the cafe owners in town, including the one we're going to, which is the Palace. I know Mustafa there. And yeah, we started playing during COVID, and we could only play outdoors. And it's taken up from there really. And now we play in the summer, and it's nice to get out and play in front of people. And if they give us money, all well and good, we give most of it to charity. So yeah, let's see how we go. And it is hot today. Could be up to 30 degrees, and it might thunderstorm, but I think we'll be okay this morning. that's it, folks. Things we do for music. Just as we finished, I sang a song about rain, and it started to rain. It's spitting now, so best get this stuff away and get home. Thanks for watching, and you will see me next time. Okay, bye-bye. Well, if that all seemed a little bit rushed from 2 weeks ago, that's because I've been very, very busy, because my son and his family have been over here with us for 10 days from California. 2 little kiddies and John and his wife, so been very busy. Back on track after all that's happened, and we'll get some more videos done in the period after that when it's less hectic. Wow, it's been crazy, but very enjoyable. Okay, so yeah, you'll see me soon.